Hello, welcome to Science with RJ. I know this is more like a camping YouTube channel, but wait, it is important to know, does hot food keep you warm in winter? So that is what I'm gonna test today. I have hot wings and hot sauces. I went straight to deep end and bought the bomb beyond insanity. So let's see what happens. Okay, it's minus 18.7 Celsius or minus 1.6 Fahrenheit. Pretty cold, but not too cold, you know? I have tasted the bomb sauce like 10-15 years ago, and I remember it was hot, but I've been eating hot sauces last few years a lot, so I don't think it's gonna be too hot for me. I have maybe higher tolerances. This video sponsored by just kidding. Okay, I think the wings are done. Look, nice, very crispy. First I'm gonna just taste one with just normal Texas beet, right? So damn good. Alright, then it's time for the bomb beyond insanity. I'm just gonna put like a one drop or something. Come on. Is it frozen? Ah, it's frozen. Oh shit.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
No, no. This is going to hurt, I think. Nah, it's not that hot. So, the question was, does hot sauce help you in a cold winter? Now it's pretty cold. My hands are freezing. I really don't feel anything in my fingers anymore. Let's see if this helps. Cheers. Not that bad. I mean, no. Wait. Okay, I'm starting to feel something. Okay, it's working. Yeah, that was way too much hot sauce. Okay, mistake. Mistake, well done. No, it's hot. It's done. It's very hot. Come on, stop it. I can feel my pulse in my fingers. Yeah, my fingers are not hot anymore. I mean cold anymore. I feel dizzy. Okay. I feel dizzy. It's getting hotter and hotter. Does this help? It's frozen. I think this just spreads the hotness in my mouth. It's making things worse. Maybe this. Oh. No, it came back. This helps like 5 to 10 seconds. Stop it already. And now my hands are freezing because I'm scooping that snow in my mouth, so this is not good. I'm crying. I can't feel my tongue. Okay, the question was, does hot food help you in a cold winter? Definitely I didn't feel any cold like in 10 minutes because that sauce was way too hot. I recommend not using the bomb sauce. Something medium hot sauce in the wings or in a noodle soup or something. It will help you in a cold winter day. Thank you for watching. Stranger from the internet. I see you in the next video. Bye.